Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to recover TikTok account without phone number and email. So for us to get this done, I'm just going to go ahead and open my TikTok. And then from here, what I'm going to do is basically use this one right here. Use phone, email, or username. So username, I'm pretty sure you are familiar with that. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. All right, now that we are here, what we are going to do is essentially click this question mark here at the top, and then we should be redirected here. Now from here, I want you to go ahead and click recover your account. Once we are here, there are different ways in order for us to recover our account, but what I'm going to be using is this one here, using TikTok username. So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with this one. If your phone is connected with Instagram, you can definitely do this one as well. But then again, I'm going to proceed with TikTok username. So from here, I'm just going to go ahead and type my username. And once we click next, we should be redirected here where we are going to be given two options. You can either use email or Google, but then again, we don't have these options, so we're going to press the button here. It says need help. Now, if I were to tap that one, we should be redirected here. Now, what I want you to do is basically tell them what happened. Alright, so this is what I got. You can just go ahead and tell him this one right here. So you can say that, hello TikTok, I've lost my phone recently and I lost access to my phone number and email. I would love to recover my account and I will need your assistance. I have all the necessary IDs to verify my identity and ownership of the account. You can then go ahead and give them your email in order for them to be able to contact you, after which just go ahead and tap the submit button down here. So yep, that's a way in order for us to be able to recover our account.